As you can see, the oil filter of this 2016 Honda vehicle is being replaced. This oil filter was on a shelf of one of the KZ Mall service stations 20 minutes ago, in KZ Mall Central Warehouse 2 days ago, and days before that, it was being manufactured in the factory, waiting to fulfill its mission. Established in 2015, with development for nearly a decade, KZ Mall has become currently one of the largest auto part chain enterprises in China. And it has entered into strategic cooperation with a number of international brands, including Bosch, Shell, Gates, NGK, ZF, Philips, etc. We are now serving more than 300,000 auto repair shops all over the world. Our rapid development benefits from the following 3 advantages. Comprehensive, there are more than 50,000 product SKUs, covering 12 product lines, 116 categories, and 122 domestic and foreign brands. Precise, there are more than 280,000 items of vehicle data. Our clients can easily match what they want and place orders quickly online. We also have product and data teams to provide professional services. Fast, 30 minutes delivery from KZ Mall service station to the repair shop, greatly reducing the waiting time of our clients and their customers. Especially in terms of speed, it is inseparable from more than 2,100 KZ Mall service stations in China. They adhere to the concept of customer-centered and complete professional services time and time again.
加入快准车服之前，我从事着汽车后市场相关的一些行业，在快准车服做了1年的销售顾问。做顾问期间呢，也跟这些老板进行了一个深度的交流，对于公司的模式啊，包括一些产品也有一定的了解，所以说就加入了快准车服。主要的有3方面吧，我们有5家实时的整仓的配送的速度相对来说很快。其实我们产品品线比较多。SKU 比较齐全。第二个呢，公司有强大的一个 IT 系统帮我们做辅助，我们把这个货更快的送到客户手里面。第3个呢，每次遇到的问题呢，公司呢也会定期的帮我们进行梳理，经营当中遇到的一些困难，使我们更好的去服务到客户。我觉得这一块是我比较需要的。
One-stop auto parts supply chain services are available at KZ Mall. Currently, we have established 5 central warehouses and 14 provincial warehouses in China, which can cover more than 2,100 service stations across the country. Products can reach the service stations on the same day at the fastest speed from the warehouses. Our central warehouse is located in Jiaxing, Zhejiang Province, covering an area of 17,310 square meters with a superior geographical location. Besides undertaking the distribution business for 223 service stations in the whole territory of Zhejiang, Shanghai, Suzhou, and Wuxi, it also undertakes the allocation and out-of-stock handling business for regional central warehouses in North China, Central China, Southwest China, South China, and provincial warehouses in East China. Besides the strong supply chain capabilities, our product strength, service strength, customer relationship strength, and digital strength have been strongly verified by the market in recent years.
快准的4个力主要包含4个维度：产品力、服务力、客情力以及数字力。快准的4个力的提出，本质上是以客户为中心的深度思考。我们在观察我们客户以及思考他需求的时候，会发现他的需求会总结为4个维度，他有产品的需求、服务的需求、客情关系的需求。第4个就是数字服务的需求。我们把客户和我们交互的全过程分为了4个维度的需求深度的洞察，通过洞察客户4个需求，反向提出了快准4个能力建设，这是产品力、服务力、客情力以及数字能力。快准的产品力，我们深入洞察客户之后会发现，在这个行业的客户对于产品的第一个需求，简单总结1个字可以叫做多，那是希望快准的产品有足够多的品类、多的品牌、多的 SKU， 价格段也要有多，高中低。所以对于产品力的第一个维度，快准总结下来其实就是丰富性。第2个产品力的特点就是我们的质价比，同样质量的情况下，你的这个性价比的程度是如何的，因为我们的客户总是希望用更低的价格买到好的产品。第3个就是产品的内容，可以把它总结成为叫产品的品牌影响力。你这个产品有更多的品牌故事、品牌内容，它相应的产品力就会更强。所以大概有3个这样的特点来形容我们的产品力建设。快准想5年之后在全球100多个国家开展我们的全球化的业务。第一步我们会选目标国家来进行标杆国家建设，北美我们选了墨西哥，南美选了秘鲁，东南亚选了这个马来西亚。我们会在标杆国家深入把国内的快准模型复制过去，在标杆国家进行深度建设，形成本地化的一些经验的积累，之后会把海外的这样的一些特点复制到全球。
Good products deserve to go global. In 2023, KZ Mall launched its overseas business segment. Currently, its products have been exported to many countries such as Russia, Mexico, Laos, Cambodia, and Kazakhstan. In this year, our high-quality products and services have been widely praised by the market, giving us strong confidence. If you are interested in us, KZ Mall Auto Service sincerely looks forward to your joining. The following are our product lines and brands. Please enjoy reading.